Told you the ice rink is open. It's awfully warm out there for any kind of winter activity, but of course, winter in the Bay Area means the rainy season, and our next atmospheric river is going to be taking aim not just at the Bay Area, but much of the West Coast, getting atmospheric river conditions as we head through the middle and end of the week. The rainiest time frame in the Bay Area is going to be Wednesday night into Thursday. We're going to zoom in and track that in more detail coming up in just a second. But first, let's talk about how mild it is out there right now. Temperatures unusually warm as we look out to the east from Salesforce Tower. The sun's been down for over an hour, but temperatures are still a mix of 60s and 70s. It's still 73 degrees in San Francisco. And get this, San Francisco is the warm spot on the map. Not the usual state of affairs, but even the coolest location, Livermore, is only down to 67 degrees. So these are closer to our average high temperatures. Even on the warm end of the spectrum, we're still above the normal high temperatures. And it's going to be another mild day tomorrow. It's not quite as warm, but perfect fall picture for a warm fall day. Temperatures reaching up into the mid-70s for Caju in San Ramon. It's going to be kind of a filtered sunshine effect overhead. So layers of mid and high level clouds are going to be filtering that sunshine, but you'll still be able to see the disk of the sun through those clouds. And those clouds aren't going to drop any rain showers on us just yet. That's in the forecast just a bit farther down the line. Not much fog to start the day tomorrow, so our temperatures are going to warm up in a pretty big hurry, making it up to about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. So today we're about 8 to 12 degrees above average. Tomorrow, more in that 4 to 8 degrees above average range. Mid to upper 70s in the Santa Clara Valley, where you will see a bit more sunshine peering through those clouds. That's why you'll be the warm spots on the map. Mostly mid 70s east of the Oakland Hills, some of the warm spots in the upper 70s there. A mix of 60s and 70s around the bay, with mostly 60s at the coast and still low to mid 70s in the North Bay, even though the clouds are going to be a little bit thicker overhead for those communities as well. And then we'll be tracking the approach of the rain once we head into Wednesday. So let's take a look at Futurecast, and we'll start the clock at 10 o'clock Wednesday morning. Showers possible during the daylight hours on Wednesday. These are going to be fairly few and far between until a late afternoon and evening, when they become a little bit more widespread, but it's not going to be a washout even Wednesday evening. 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday through 10 o'clock in the evening, that's when the rain is going to start to come in. 2 batches of heavier rain, one late Wednesday evening and another early Thursday morning. This is when the strongest winds are going to be gusting up across the Bay Area as well. So we'll be tracking that rain as it quickly moves across the Bay Area with round 1. But then here comes round 2, just in time for the Thursday morning commute. We'll be seeing that heaviest rain move through right around the peak of rush hour, and then moving farther off to the east with lingering off and on showers throughout the rest of the day on Thursday. We're also going to be tracking some gusty winds through the course of this system. The winds becoming more noticeable already by Wednesday afternoon, but those strongest gusts will accompany that second batch of heavier rain, when the gusts are going to be widespread in the 30 to 40 mile an hour range early on Thursday morning, with some gusts, especially closer to the coast, in the 40 to 50 mile an hour range. So that's a lot that we have to focus on with that next atmospheric river headed our way. It's why we're outlining Thursday as an alert day, again, mainly for that impact on the morning commute. And then look at our temperatures, only low to mid 60s inland as we head into the weekend. So we go from warm temperatures tomorrow to cool, windy, wet weather, and then just cool weather as we head through the weekend, with another chance of lighter showers in the forecast by Sunday.